So you might be trying to figure out how to use Apple Music. Now the Apple Music application is a very basic app to use, and there isn't really anything super wild or super crazy that you probably haven't already used before. But the very first case and the very first thing to keep in mind is that you get a free trial within Apple Music or you can buy it. So it's a subscription plan if you pay monthly for it. Now, as soon as you open up the app, you should be able to see a few different toggles at the bottom. You should see a little option that says Listen Now, which will show you basically some news or songs that are going through right now. You can click on Radio, which will just show you random things that are going on within Apple Music and all sorts of songs and podcasts and stuff. Under Library, this is going to be the songs and songs that you've liked or loved. It's going to show you songs that you've different playlists you have, all sorts of different things, podcasts that you listen to, whatever music purchases in iTunes or added from your computer will basically appear under your library within Apple Music. Now at the far right, you'll have the search button. Now this is where you can actually go through and kind of listen to your songs and find the song that you actually want to listen to. So this has a bunch of already kind of curated playlists and curated lists of songs that you can listen to already, which is very cool, super convenient. So you can just go through and choose whatever you want to. So that's an option that you have here too. Now, if you want to search for a particular song, which you can always do, is click on the search bar up here and find the song that you actually want to listen to. So let's say in this case, I want to listen to a Taylor Swift song. Well, what I can do is I can just type in Taylor Swift, just like so. I can go and search for Taylor Swift within this page. Now, in this case, I'm going to search for Taylor Swift within Apple Music, and you can see a lot of stuff already comes up. So what I can do is, let's say I like Taylor Swift, but what I can go ahead and do is go straight into her profile page right here, and I can find all sorts of songs of hers. So let's say I like, I want to listen to this song. What I can do is I can tap onto this song, and the song should already come up. As you can see, it's not coming up because I already, I don't have Apple Music right now. But this is her profile page. So from here, you can listen to her albums. You can look at all of the album songs that she's made. If you like a song, you can click on the little three dots right there, and you can also add a library. You can also add the song to your library. You can add the song to a playlist that you've already had. Hopping back out, most of the time, so that's basically at a high level, how to find songs, how to play songs. But another big thing is if you want to go ahead and find the song that you're currently playing. So at the very bottom, you should be able to see this little page that comes up. If you go and click on that little tab, you should see this little panel that comes up right here. So this is going to be basically a little bit of a background. So this is going to be the visual of basically the song that you're playing. So if it's a podcast, if it's a song, whatever it's going to be, it should show up right here. So what you can do is you can now change and kind of edit this up depending on what you want to do. So this should be the cover art. So it'll show you the cover art of that particular song. This is a stop button, so if you want to stop a song, you can just click stop right there, and it'll go no longer play the song. You can click on the three dots up here if you want to go and share the song, if you want to go and like a song, you should see that option here as well. At the very bottom, this little volume bar right here is the volume bar, so if you want to increase or decrease the volume, you can do that right here. If you click on this little panel, it should give you a little bit of an option. If you want to share play this song, you can click on share play right here and share this song out to other people. You can share it out to other iPhones or other devices that support AirPlay or SharePlay. You should be able to see that option come up right there. And then you can also see this little button right here, which should show you other songs that are about to play next. So at a high level, that's how to use Apple Music from that standpoint. Now, once again, if you want to, you can always go up. You can get out of this and you can search for other songs. Your library should house the songs that you have. You can also edit up your library by clicking up the edit button at the very top right and changing the way your layout is. You can also click on the top right here to see your account. If you want to redeem a gift card within Apple Music, that option's here. If you want to add funds within your Apple ID, you can do that. If you want to get a 1 month, for $10.99, you can do that here. If you want to change your account settings, you can tap on account settings and change more of your account settings from that panel as well. So at a high level, that is basically how to use Apple Music. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.